Over the past year, I've made over $150,000 profit with TikTok Shop. And the thing is, if I picked the wrong product before I started, I would still be broke. So in this video, I'm gonna break down this simple 3-step process that I use to pick winning products on TikTok Shop. Before we start, we first need to understand what a winning product even is. This term has been thrown around so much in the past, and not just in the TikTok Shop community, but also in the dropshipping community. And well, while there are some parallels to look for, what works for dropshipping doesn't always necessarily work for TikTok Shop. All a winning product is a product that generates revenue, and there is a ton of different ways to find these products. With dropshipping, you're gonna be marketing your products with one of two ways. It can either be paid ads or organic marketing. Whereas for TikTok Shop, all of your traffic will be coming through organic content on TikTok. This means that when you pick a product, you have to make sure it's a product that works on TikTok. And before you even start to use the methods I'm going to talk about later in this video, let me tell you exactly what to look for. So I've broken this down into 3 different things to look for, and the first one is virality. The best products to sell on TikTok Shop, whether it be as a seller or an affiliate, are products that are already going viral right now. It's much easier to sell a product that's already going viral or fits in a niche that is already going viral. Now that isn't to say that you'll never go viral selling products that aren't currently going viral or trending, but it's gonna be a little bit harder. The aim when starting out is to just make some money. After you've done this, you're gonna need to ask yourself questions about the product you're gonna find. And the main 2 that I always ask myself are, what problem does this product solve, and what emotion does this product spark in someone? I don't always sell problem-solving products, and I don't always sell products that spark some form of emotion. But every product that I do sell has to check at least one of those 2 boxes. The reason for that is because it's easier to sell a product that sparks some form of emotion or solve some type of problem, because they're typically the kinds of products that customers respond best to. There's a saying that goes, people buy with emotion and justify with reason. And that's the exact mindset I use when picking products. If your product doesn't have an impact on your viewers, why would they buy it? The next time you're looking for a product to sell, ask yourself these questions when you see viral products. You'll notice pretty quickly that they have one of these 2 things about them. The best products currently going viral on TikTok Shop, they're problem solving, and when the customers see them, they have a spark in emotion. That's what drives them to buy. A lot of the products I sell target insecurities and pain points of people. How I go about selling is I know that those products target the insecurities, and because of that, I use their insecurities to spark emotion. And now, since I've directly called them out because I'm referring to an insecurity they have, and because I've sparked some emotion because I'm talking about their insecurity and talking about a solution to their insecurity or getting rid of it completely, and because I go about researching so well in script writing, I know I can make my videos in such a way that I'll have them feeling like, oh my goodness, I need to get rid of this insecurity right now. Like, what can I do to get rid of it? So it leaves them at a point where they are searching everywhere for a solution by the end of my video. And that's when I plug the product. And that is where true longevity is formed. The last thing I look for in a product is its price. If a product is under $30, I tend to stay away from it for 1 or 2 reasons. The first reason is, as an affiliate, I don't want to sell a product that has a low price point, because that means I'll make less money each time it's sold. And if I were a seller, I also wouldn't want to sell a product for under $30, because that means if I eventually want to run ads with the product or hire creators to help me promote the product, the amount of profit I make per unit sold will be less, as my marketing costs will be higher. I've found that the best products to sell are within the $35 and $90 range. By the way, if you want some more help finding winning products, I actually have a free newsletter where I send 2 of them out every single week. So if that sounds interesting to you, there's a link to sign up in the description. Now that we know what a winning product is, we can start to look for them. So there are 2 ways to go about finding a winning product. One is difficult, but it is free. And the second, well, it's a little bit easier, but it does cost some money. So let's go over them both. The first way is to just use the TikTok app. So first section I like to look in is today's deals, and it shows things called today's picks. Now what TikTok puts in here is usually a good amount of trending products. So let's click on a few. Let's check out this magnesium. Look at that, 163,000 sold right there. All right, here we have a 12 pack? Yes, here we have a 12 pack of Fairlife protein shakes, falls into the price range I'm looking for, and 5,000 sold. Not trending crazy like these, but I do know this is just a trending brand, so that would be a product I'd definitely look into promoting. What else? Ooh, right here. All right, I like this. This is the Levoit air purifier with 94,000 sold at a $50 price point. This is definitely a product I would consider selling. Keep looking. Here we go. All right, we have a Wise Smart Scale, 23,000 sold, $30 price point. I've actually used I don't know if it was this exact brand, but I have used the Smart Scale in the past, so I would definitely be interested in selling this product because I know a good bit about it already. So now we can just scroll down the TikTok shop feed and it'll continuously keep feeding us products. And to give a little bit more insight as to why a product could be deemed good or bad, like I said, there are multiple reasons that go into it, but I like to look for things that I know a bit about and I know that I can sell. The next way is to use a paid tool. And for this example, I'm gonna be using Kalo Data. All right, so here we are on the Kalo Data dashboard, and the only section we're gonna be looking at today is the product section. Now, the only real reason I'm showing a paid tool in this video is because, trust me, it makes it a lot easier. And it's most definitely worth the money if you would like to spend it, but you don't have to, of course. Anyways, getting into it. So the dates I like to go for, the date range is just the past 30 days. And the category, since I prefer to sell supplements and products in the health niche, I'm gonna go to that category. So I'm just gonna type in health. Now, there is a lot of subcategories to choose from, but I'm gonna go with just the broad health category overall. What it's gonna show me now is the top performing products in that category over the past 30 days. Notice how if I were to go to last 7 days and submit, it would change slightly and show me the top performing products over the past 7 days. Now, the best part is you can simply just click and it will give you all the information on the product. Now, you don't have to speculate, you don't have to scroll through the TikTok shop feed, look at how many units a listing has sold, take everything into account, wonder if all the units sold were 5 months ago rather than 1 month ago. Now you have all the information readily available and right in front of you, right? So here is the top 5, and it gets even better than that. If you go to the product and you go now to the video section, it shows you the top performing videos for that product. So in a matter of seconds, I have now found the top 5 performing supplement or health niche products in the past 7 days, and I have access to the videos that have sold the most of them in the past 7 days. So this would be great content inspiration right here. Look at that, it even shows how much GMV each video has sold. So realistically, it does not get easier than this to research products. So I do actually have an affiliate link for Kalo Data in the description of this video. Now, if you sign up using my code, you will actually get a discount. So not only will you be helping me supporting my channel, you'll be saving money yourself as well. So it really is a win-win for both of us. Oh, and ignore the quality. I forgot to record an outro, but if you enjoyed this video, then you'll definitely enjoy this one right here, where I actually go in depth revealing the secrets of the TikTok algorithm. So click here to watch. And of course, feel free to like and subscribe if you want to help support me and my channel. Thank you so much.